inspiration, and at the same time, siguro kung ano yung talaga excited ka at the most nung ginagawa ninyo itong series na ito?
Ako more on dun sa loyalty testers. Gusto naming mapakita yung struggle, tsaka struggle ng mga Filipino na laban sa racket. Yung ganun. Kahit ano gawin, kahit may work, aside from doon, may mga racket pa sila on the side. Yun.
Alright. Direct, Ian.
Good evening. Siguro one of my favorite thing when I was doing the loyalty game is yung paglalaro ng dual personality sa mga characters. Kasi as you can see naman si Echo and some other cast din, meron silang dual personality na abangan mo you create questions about the truth with their personas. So yun yung for me very interesting kasi ano ba talagang truth, diba? Is it the thing that we can see or is it the thing that is hiding from us? So yun yung naging excited ako to create and to work with. Yun.
And the visual representation of that was the cell phone.
Right.
Ni
That's
Ben,
one.
di ba?
That's one,
Parang
yeah.
yung tinatago niya, ano ba talaga yung kanyang double life or double personality. For a seamless flow of this conversation, we will alternate the mics. So Katie, the mic is now yours. So siguro para sa mga nandito tonight, ano yung character and at the same time, ano ma-expect dito?
So, yung character ko po dito, yung bunsong kapatid ni Ate Beth and Ate Megan, who's played by Karina. May expect nyo, super naive lang si Harry. And very, lang siya, parang umaasa talaga siya sa mga ate niya. And he really looks up to his ates. And he sees them as parang simple to, people he looks up to, and he really idolizes them. And parang, yan, love na love niya. Very loving lang. Brother.
Harry, not Harry.
Harry.
All right, thank you.
Harry, yeah.
All right, thank you. Next, please. Yes.
Hi, good evening. I'm Aliana and I play the role of Lucy Sagil. I'm the daughter of Kuya Beach and Ate Des, but she's not here. I would say my character has some layers to her also because she represents like somebody who's from Gen Z that lacks guidance. And yun lang, she's kind of lost, but I guess from watching her, you could think na, okay, this is what I'm not gonna do. And you can learn from her, possibly. Yeah.
All right, thank you, Aliana. Kare?
Ayan, hi Kuya Meg. So here I play the role of Megan. So me and Harry, KD are the siblings of Auntie Sophia, which is Auntie Beth. Oh, she's not here today. Ayan, Auntie Sophia, we miss you. And I think Megan is very family-oriented, but she also works abroad. So nasa Hong Kong siya. You'll see her there, and I think that will play a very pivotal role kung ano yung mga next steps and decisions ni Beth when it comes to being a loyalty tester. So I think the family part will test her as well. Ayun.
Thank you, Kare. Robbie?
Okay, hello po. I'm Robbie. I play Juancho Madrigal, the half-brother of Ana Madrigal, and also a loyalty test. Joke lang. Ayun, sa tingin ko yung character ko po nagbibigay ng representasyon sa mga bata na sumisipag at nagtsatsaga para makahanap ng trabaho, ng belonging, whether that be in family or friendship, hanap buhay. So, magandang kwento po itong The Loyalty Game. Madami pong binahaging aspetong kahirapan at challenges ang mga director natin sa pamamagitan ng mga characters sa kwento na ito. So, stay tuned. July 3 is the release and I hope you guys enjoy the show. Thank you.
Thank you, Robbie. Sir Bernard, or his character is, kumbaga, the natural dapat rightful heir. But there's some conflict.
That guy is in my way. No, I play Antonio Sagil, the son of this lovely man. And I am a brat. I want something that I don't deserve. I'm mean to my wife. I'm not a good father. I'm basically a bad guy. This is my third AA this week, sorry. I play the bad son, of course, as usual. And it's actually very interesting what is going to conspire after that. Because he finds out things. No one wants to believe him. No, but it is fun. You'll enjoy it, trust me. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Hello everybody, it's Mike Rivera again here and I played Carlota. So ayun na nga, ano siya, loyalty tester and happy ako na loyalty tester siya because I get to spend each and every day with beautiful people testing mga gago, ganon. So why not, right? And yeah, yun, plot twist, she's also a receptionist and abangan natin pag nagbonggang outfit na siya kasi lahat kami magpapaganda. So ayun, madami talagang abangan.
Thank you, Micah. Sir Carlitos.
Good evening. Ako si Mariano Sagil and I play the owner of the Azucarera, the family. I had the family that owns Azucarera. Ako yung Sugar Baron. And asawa ko si Pilar Pilapil. Our son is Bernard here. And basically ako yung I play the boss who gives who secures essentially Echo's characters yung parang he gives him the institutional social support. Parang who secures his success. Yun ang target niya to make sure that he's in a successful spot in his career. So ako yun, and then there's a lot of things that happen within the family and mga secrets na mabubulat-lat din because of things that are hidden in the family.
Thank you, sir. Next.
Yes, hello po, I'm Kira and I play the role of Angel Lukto. I am the youngest loyalty tester here. Si Angel, she's just a regular college girl na gusto rin kumita, syempre for her own allowance. Kaya niya to napasukan. Bilang the youngest one, she's very naive. So she's really relying on her ates, yung ibang loyalty testers, to teach her para magamay niya ang pagiging loyalty tester. Pero kita niyo naman po kanina, walang paramdam si Angel. So, tingnan natin kung napahamak ba siya? Nagtatago ba? Yun. Thank you.
Thank you, Kira. Next.
Hello po, ako po si Charlie Dizon. Ako po dito si Regina. Hello. Ako po si Regina dito. Kung nakikita nyo kanina, wala ako doon.
Wala pa.
Wala ako. Kasi later pa ako dadating sa story po talaga. So, dahil ganon, hindi ko rin masabi talaga sino yung character ko. Pero ang masasabi ko lang po ay connected ako kay Ben at may dala akong kaalaman kapag dumating ako sa story na. Siyensya pala.
Thank you, Charlie. Elise.
Hello everybody, I'm Elise Hoson and I play the role of Bridget Tangkol. Ayan, isa sa mga loyalty tester as well. Makulay ang buhay ng isang loyalty tester kaya excited akong mabuksan pa yung bawat kwento namin. And si Bridget naman, kung nakita nyo kanina, gusto niya ng pera. Kaya siya naglo-loyalty test. And ang goal niya talaga is mag-succeed sa life. Gusto niyang magkaroon ng more, tumataya sa loto, nagra-racket here and there, kung ano-anong pinapasukan niyang trabaho. Kaya na-discover niya yung paglo-loyalty test and she found out na malaki pala ang kita dun. But yes, aside from that, marami pang mangyayari sa bawat buhay ng loyalty testers na dapat niyong abangan kasi sobrang makulay ang buhay ng loyalty testers. And kasama doon may risk, pero masaya din naman kasi sama-sama, parang meron kaming sisterhood din dito bilang naging friends kami lahat because we're all in the same business, dirty
Yes.
business. Ayun.
In short, paldo.
Paldo
ang
ang
pagiging loyalty tester. Thank you, Elise. Now for this, we'll go with Yen. Yen and Miss Carmina next.
Hello po, ako po si Yen Santos. Nakita niyo po kanina, isa din po ako sa loyalty testers. Ako po si Diane dito at meron po akong anak na merong mild autism. We all know someone like Diane who's juggling work, motherhood, and dealing with her own struggles all at once. So, nakakuha po ako ng inspiration na gawin yun sa mga totoong tao din. And malapit sa puso ko tong role na to. Ibinigay ko po dito ang puso ko. So, marami pa pong kailangang abangan. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Yen. Miss Carmina.
Hello po, good evening everyone. Ako po si Carmina Villaruel. I play the role of Imelda. Sa napanood nyo naman po, ako po yung pinaka-sane. Ako po yung pinaka-normal. Ako yung pinaka-kalma, pinaka-normal, pinaka-chill na character dito. Now, but kidding aside, ako po yung mommy ni Anna dito. So nakita nyo naman like mother, like daughter. Hanggang doon na lang muna yung sasabihin ko. Pero marami pang mga ganong eksena. At feeling ko, magugustuhan nyo si Imelda. Character talaga siya. Pero gusto talaga niya maging loyalty tester rin. Kung si Kira yung youngest, baka ako yung oldest. Pwede naman, dahil ang love, wala namang age yan, diba?
Correct!
Pwede naman natin isingit
Hindi ka
yun,
na
diba?
pwede.
May additional taping. May additional taping.
Nauna ka na yung Tita Pilar Pilapil.
Ay, so
Doon sa
siya yung
pwesto.
oldest.
Oo.
Ako yung second na lang to the oldest. Loyalty. Ganun nga siya ka-crazy. Pero yun po, so thank you po for being here. Yun po yung character ko.
Thank you, Miss Carmina. Now from the mother to the daughter. Yan, kay Janine.
Yes, magandang gabi po. Ako po si Janine. And thank you ulit for watching. We hope na enjoy nyo. First episode pa lang ng The Loyalty Game. Ako dito si Ana Madrigal. At yun nga, parang merong kababalaghang ginagawa ang asawa ko. So, ang naisip na lang niyang paraan ay paghanap ng loyalty tester para malaman kung ano ba talaga ang nangyayari. Pero ito pa lang talaga yung tip of the iceberg, kumbaga, sa lahat ng revelation sa The Loyalty Game at sa lahat ng storyline ng each character. So sana talaga abangan nyo bawat episode.
Thank you, Janine. Of course, palakpakan naman natin, Jericho Rosales.
Okay lang kahit wag na. Ako po si Jericho Rosales, katabi ko po yung director namin, si May. Ang role ko dito si Ben Santos. Siguro naman napanood naman ninyo, 'di ba? Kung ano yung role. So again, once again I live a double life. At buong show namin, aalamin ni Janine kung sino yung Betka ko. Ako po, Betka. Kabet. Ako po ay MS. May something dito sa show na to. So, well, basically, ang character ko ay representation ng mga surprises sa buhay ninyo. Ingat kayo kung ano yung mga kinakalkal ninyo.
Thank you, Echo.
Sorry, medyo...
Ay, ito pala. Sorry, kala ko. Go ahead. Alright, of course, Direct May.
Ako po si Direct May Cruz Alviar. Hango po sa tunay na buhay ko. Hindi, joke lang. Ako po si Imelda sa tunay na buhay na loyalty tester. Hindi po. Ako po yung director and ayun po.
Siguro Direct May, yun lang. Just a similar question to our directors kanina. Kumbaga, yung execution nito, no, especially Bacolod, Iloilo, a very different place. The cast really had to imbibe the culture nung nandun po kayo sa Visayas area.
So the question is...
Well, how did you really execute it? Kumbaga?
Okay. Well, the world building of Valiente, kasi it's a fictitious place, it's a fictitious world. So we had to create yung Valiente. Hango rin ito dun sa sa culture sa South, but syempre meron kaming mga binago doon. And of course, we have seen a lot of shows or films na doon ginawa. Pero we wanted to be a smaller version of it. So, yun yung doon, the task was how to create a new world, a different world that's based on realities. And that was quite challenging and exciting at the same time. And then, of course, the complex characters that lived in that world, na yung mga, they symbolize personalities. So, it was something that, it's a collaboration naman yung pagbuo nito, from the writing to also choosing the locations and also how the characters, how the cast executed their characters, yung kanilang pagkatao. So it's parang lahat na gano'n na come together to build this world and to execute this vision of Valiente.
Alright, so thank you. Of course, Direk Men, of course, isang malaking palakpakan muli para sa mga cast and members. Pero hindi pa po tayo tapos because